Explosives. Watch out.
How do you put your backpack on the front again?
I think someone found the mines.
You might want to deal with that. He's up there. He's on the way.
Yeah, it seems 1-1 got hit.
He's dead. He's fucked. He's just fucked.
Friendly helicopter? Oh god. What happened to Vandermark?
He hit a mine.
She, but, okay.
Okay, Vandermark hit a mine. Furious. Ah, that's giving me a war boner. Oh, he's over. Oh shit. Okay. One, two copies, good drop. That was pretty good drop though.
Yeah, no.
That was nice.
Okay.
You see the crane? The big yellow crane.
They're right behind you.
Two guys on that. If you can get the ward up view on that.
Can you back up a bit? I'm gonna try to figure out. In front of us, big yellow crane. Up. Yep, fuck it. This is 1-2 to 1-1. The Hulk does not have ammunition in mark. I have this. As you gave it to me, I put a different scope on it before, and I forgot to save it.
Always change things to your own preference.
Squad lead, we're moving southeast to Longboat's position. He just went down.
Yourselves, you're now being held captive.
Whoa, would you look at that? The crazy friends are...
Aren't you stinky winky?
Are right outside the door.
That's a lie, they're not.
No, actually, you have a teammate right outside.
What the fuck? Oh yeah, you're right.
But you can
Okay.
open your map while having the process.
Yep, we can.
Stop that, fast!
To the roof?
Yeah, we're taking fire through the roof.
Windows in the roof.
Frag out.
I could have won in that right.
I'm gonna see if my body's still there. It has rocket
Oh,
launcher.
dragging it for the roof.
Yeah. There's a hole in it.
Oh, they are getting. Oh, watch out!
Frag out.
Don't throw grenades in here, please. Welcome, you joined the group. Now we have to wait until they throw a grenade in here for the sunroof as well, and then we all
I
die.
can't wait for you all to get team killed.
Not Joe.
What?
High explosive for the sniper. I shot
You know,
like a
I would
guy
have had
before
this
they went
if
twice,
it weren't
but-
for the fact that that roof is glitchy as fuck, and I started falling through it.
Say again?
Don't queue up. Good job, Sil. There's one more. There's one more inside the little cubicle.
Yeah, he's getting fucking anal raped now. Come out, you bitch.
Throw a grenade in there. Throw a grenade.
No, I'm not grenading. He's down.
He's down. Okay. Can we get rid of him?
How do you get ambushed?
We can
Yeah,
we
they
can down the little.
I don't like roofs. I would have had this if it weren't for that roof.
Hey, we just rescued some friendlies who got captured.